Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic Fundamentals Unit of Life. This is topic and subtopic is cell organelles. Okay, so if you need the same video in Hindi, then please do check it on another YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. Okay, let's see how to make this lesson plan. So here you can see all the format, how we have to design all this format. Here you can see previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge we have to like mention here what students are already aware of. So they are already aware of features of cells, plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay, generally you can see here. So we have to mention here what we exactly want to teach to students. So we want to let them know about cell organelles as well as we want to tell them about types of cell organelles and their functions. Okay, after this specific objective, so we have to mention all the things that we want to teach to students. Here you can see all the things. Okay, ER, Golgi, apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria. So we are going to tell them about all this. Okay, now here you can see teaching aids. So for teaching aids we have to mention all the teaching aids that we are going to use while we teach to students. Here you can see. Okay, now here you can see what is this? It is introduction part. So first question we have to ask is what are living organism made up of? Student will answer. Who discovered cells? Then student will answer. What is cell made up of? Student will try to answer. What is cell organelles and tell types of cell organelles? It would be problematic. Here you can see objectives and specification. Okay, now after that we have to announce our topic. Here you can see statement of aim. So we have to announce our topic. Here you can see subject, class, here topic and subtopic. So we have to write these things into blackboard. Okay, so this is the overall look. Okay, now let's see here what is it. It is presentation part. You can see we have to teach them very nicely for like 5 to 6 minutes. We have to teach them. Here endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and here you can see diagram also. Okay, after that we have to also ask question related to that. Here you can see 4 question I have added here. Here is the expected answer and it is our blackboard work. You can see here. Okay, so I have drawn here diagram also. You can see. Okay, after this we have to again we have to teach them taking help of any teaching aid like model or chart whatever. So teacher explain with help of chart, students observing the chart or model, whatever we have, chart and model for teaching aid. You can see here. Okay, same process we have to repeat here. We have to explain everything, our content, whatever we want to teach to them. After that we have to ask a question related to that. This is expected answer, right? And here you can see blackboard work. Okay, now let's turn the page. Here is the rest part. Okay, here is the rest questions that we have to ask to students, answers that we expect. Here is our, what is it? It is blackboard work. Now teacher shows chart, students observing chart and model, right? After that recapitulation, you can see. So I have added here 4 questions, you can see, and this is expected answer. Now last page is application and evaluation. So here I have added fill in the blanks. You can see how many I have added, 5. Okay, you can see here. Okay, last is home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher has to also give home assignment to students. Okay, this was my lesson plan on the topic cell organelles. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.